Hi everyone, today we will explore something different, very different. So usually people don't talk about it, but if you are using React and Tailwind, maybe you want to do it once or maybe not. It's called obfuscated classes, and if you explore these projects we have, so it basically what it does is basically obfuscated utility classes based on the class name you have. And if I go to the documentation, it's really easy to use. You just have to install all this and create a script folder and add this script. That's it. And then update your package.json because it obfuscated classes on built-in. So now I'm taking a challenge, which is basically I try to obfuscate all the classes that we are using in product UI layouts, because you can easily try it in blocks and template and it's really work on that. But when you try this kind of huge component library and the pro version of it, then it's a challenge. So if it work on product.uilayouts.com, it should work every single blocks or template. So whenever you try to obfuscate classes, maybe you use some classes that not part of Tailwind CSS and you forget to add it in custom classes or script classes. And sometimes you use broken Tailwind classes. So then if you try to build it, you will get some build error like this one. Okay, utility glitch hoover. So I have a list of classes that has broken and that also not part of Tailwind CSS. So like this one, did you see it just has 10? So it doesn't mean anything, right? So what we can do, we can remove it. So that's how you have to debug it and remove all the broken classes. So I try to resolve all the broken classes and also update the custom classes. So it's completed. We didn't find any issue while building. You have to push without obfuscated classes because it will generate the obfuscated classes in built-in. So I deploy it and we are on live website. If I inspect it now, this one, you can see it has the obfuscated classes, but some of classes is not obfuscated, and the reason behind it is so it always keep classes that are using CN and also using condition. Okay, and the main purpose behind this obfuscated classes is simple. We are not blocking anyone to copy the blocks and template. We cannot do that in this AI era, right? So what we are doing is just blocking that people who just inspect and copy the code and instantly the blocks start working, right? So I seen it in Framework, and if I go to Framework, so all these classes also obfuscated. What I believe, because it's dynamically created, so it basically I don't know what they're using, because we have seen this type of classes in or you're using style component, right? So I just try to follow that same things. I think I did it. So let me know you like it or not, and give me a solid feedback. See you in the next video. Bye.